Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a new Toca Boca video, and this is the new one. This is going to be like some type of storm. It's raining heavily. And it's going to be like a flood. I don't have a car. I don't even have a car. I used to have that pack on my old tablet, but I got iPad means. Okay. Huh? What the heck? Why are they flickering? Okay, what the heck? Ah! Oh my god, Medibane! Medibane! I'm gonna, oh my god. What's wrong? What's wrong? The lightning outside! The lightning outside! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I'll turn on some lights for you. It's okay, it's okay. Just sit down. It's okay. It's okay. Just sit down here. It's gonna be okay. Let me just tell you a weird thing just happened. The lights were just flickering. Yeah, on mine too. I was like, what the heck? Why is my lights flickering? Beep, 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 beep. Huh? What is that? Check phone. Phone? This is a flood. This is a flood. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. This is a flood. This is a flood. Not a drill. Not a drill. What? No. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. I have some boxes in this storage room thing. I have some boxes for us. I have some boxes. So I use one of these. Okay, I'll put my toys inside. Put all my clothing. I need clothing, you know. Clothes! Oh my god. Yeah, give me my own box. Yeah, I'm gonna have my own box too. And some of my clothing. And some of this. Okay. Here's how it's going. Boom, 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 boom. Lightning. Okay, outside looks so bad. Because when the camera's outside, I'm so scared of this. I'm so terrified. Toss on my lights. I have so much clothing. My swimming suit. All this stuff. Oh. Where's this? Add some of my clothing. And add some of my stuff. Just you have to hand me. What's this stuff? So good. What's the baby score? Okay. I need to get the minis. So I hope the minis have everything. Okay, minis. Do you have everything? Yes, I have my box. What's mine? Maybe, why need to hear you? You need to get down now. Guys, it's okay. I don't even know how to make a car. I'm going to make my own car. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay, guys. You made it. Okay, boys, this is your bedroom. Maybe here's your bedroom. I want to sleep. I'm about to literally fall asleep. I know. Somehow. Here's some of your clothing. At least take my most favorite dress. A fancy dress. And then my pajama stuff. Perfect. Clothes. It's okay. I'm just going to put you to bed. I need to get my clothing out here. Okay, how much clothing do I have? God, how much clothing do I have? I'm going to need to put a sofa up for me. There's so much. Throw the player box. Okay, get my pile of clothes. Okay. There are toys here. There are toys here. Throw away these boxes. So, okay, now when you get to sleep, I'm going to use like a car. I'm going to use like a car. I'm going to use this is like a car or something. I want like one seat right here. That should be like the car thing. Mobile drive. Okay, stop. Okay, bye guys. Actually, I tricked you. Let me just check the damage on our house. God, the window's literally bust open. Okay, guys, wake up. What? I'm trying to sleep. Look over our house. Oh my God, that's a little too much damage. Yeah, that's literally so much. Okay, you can go back to sleep. That was so weird. Yeah, that was weird. That was so... Oh my god, the house has so much damage. Okay, actually, for real, bye, guy.
I can't move on, baby doll. Waiting on calls, flipping through stations.